Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of...
Hello everyone, get your pen and papers down because today I'm going to show you how to do eyebrows.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Okay, so basically in previous time when I used to make my eyebrows, I made so many mistakes which I feel now that was mistake. So on that aspect I'm going to share some points with you so that you also can know that what you are doing is mistake or is okay. In this tutorial I'm going to show you what to do and what to not. Sometimes I also do this kind of silly mistakes and I used to learn from there. Fact is, brows are not kind of easy. It's hard to maintain and manage and to draw, obviously. So it takes time, like week after week, it actually get better position. And now what I'm doing in my room, maybe after 1 month or after 1 year, I will also find out some mistakes that I have done in previous time. Before going to my main video, I just want to ask something, like if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I post any video you get the notification. And if you are already in my channel, thanks for being with me, and please comment what I should do or what I can do, like constructive criticism, like how I can develop my videos to share with you so that I can be more inspired with your comment. Otherwise, how will I know that you are watching my video? And obviously in today's video, please share with me till now what were you doing. If you have any problem or any query, please let me know. And I don't want to waste your any more time, so let's go. Brushing our eyebrow in wrong direction can make our brow messy. So first of all, we need to assure how to brush. First of all, I want to show you because you can see I haven't done my brow. Naturally, I have got kind of thick brows. That's why you can say I haven't used anything. But I need this kind of pulley. So for this pulley, we need to brush our eyebrow hair. All I did wrong when I didn't know how to brush eyebrow, when I was actually a beginner, so I did like this. But I should have done like this. With a slight light hand, I should have done like this. You can see the differences. This one is kind of organized. This one is since kind of messy. And for this, after some time, the hair can fall down and brow will not look nice. So first of all, number one, do it properly. It's really important not to use thick kind of brow brush because for drawing brow we need kind of thin and angled brush. So I'm choosing this simple thin kind of winged brush for my brow because it gives a nice shape however I want. You can use brow pomade or brow pencil, it's your choice, but fact is never use darker color than your brow. If you like kind of natural brow, so you can use light kind of color, like one shade lighter, so avoid this kind of darker color than your brow hair. And it's really important rule, don't make any boxes in your brow. You can see I'm gonna use this brow pomade from Revolution Pro. Start from this point, middle of your arc. With a light hand, you can start it from here. And here, just go slowly till the end of your brow. Use a light hand for this feather because it will give you a natural look. eyebrow, it's really important to carving out with right shade, because sometimes we do carving out with wrong shade, which is really bright, because it really gives a focused look on this face. Actually, your brow focused a lot. So in this point, what you can do, use either your concealer, which you use for under eyes, or you can use a foundation even for getting a natural look. And now I'm gonna use
collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
for naturalize it. I want to smudge it off like this, so it blend properly. So finally, we can do take this spoolie and go to our brows. So there is no patchy or kind of marks remains, and we can just slightly make them feather. That's it. So I will suggest you in last, don't draw your brows so thick, like more than your natural brows. You can see my brow is already thick. That's why I didn't actually needed to make it extra large or extra thick. So I just drew it as my area of a brow hair is. So try to draw your brow according to your brow hair area, and that will make you look more natural. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Even if you don't like, please let me know what you didn't like and how I can develop my things. Just share with me in comment box so that I can know. And always trust yourself, because it means a lot in this world, and always take care of yourself. Bye bye.